It's installation day and I'm so excited to share it with you. But first, let's recap. I went over to the Raintree website and ordered my samples. I got those in and made my decision, which, as you know, was Egret, which is part of the Laguna Vibes collection. We absolutely love it, and it's the perfect look for our little beach coastal cottage. Don't forget, you can hop over to the website and get your 2 free samples also. Next, I went over to the dealer locator on Raintree's site and I found H&W Interiors in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, which is where our beach condo is located. They came out and measured and got us ready for flooring. Next up, demo. We pulled up all our old flooring, emptied our rooms as much as possible, closets, everything off the floor, and utilized all the space we could, even the bathtub. Installation day is here, and I'm so excited to get these Raintree floors installed. But sometimes a little prep work is needed beforehand to get the floors nice and level, which is another really important reason to have a professional do the install. Are you guys ready for a little sneak peek? I couldn't wait to share. Gorgeous, beautiful, real hardwood. Even my rider approves.